How to do it. Let me show you how to do it.
Hi guys, so this is a Lexus Ls500 and I'm going to be showing you how you can reset your oil light, once you have done your oil change. So it's very important that you reset that so you can keep track of when you replaced your engine oil. So with that, we're going to go ahead and try to turn the ignition on. We're not going to start the car, I'm just turning this on. Close the door. Okay, so the ignition is on. The car is not started. Once you have your ignition on, you'll probably see that it says ignition on right there. Then we're going to click on to this icon right there. So once you go on there, it's going to bring up this menu, which you can control from here. So depending on where you're at, you may or may not see it. So let's start it again. Let me turn this off. And let's start it again. So I'm going to go ahead and press this. It's going to come on. Then you may see this thing. And I'm going to have to press it one more time. Now the ignition is on. So now once you're at this part, then we have to press this icon right there. And then you'll probably see something like this, and it might be up there for you. I'm not sure exactly how you're going to see it, but eventually you can scroll up and down from this, and you can see once I scroll up, I see different options. But I'm going to go ahead and scroll down. Let me show you closer. So I'm going to scroll. Let me get back there. And I'm going to scroll down to vehicle settings. Press OK from the navigation bar, and OK is just this OK right here. And once you leave it, then you can see it goes back to the default. So you just have to press the return button again and then go back there again for vehicle settings. So now it says oil maintenance, press OK. Reset data, yes, OK. And it says the data has been reset. And that's pretty much it. That's all you do to reset the oil. And again, this and this keypad and this one is all what I was using. Oil maintenance, press OK. Reset data, yes. And that's it. The data has been reset. That's all. As simple as this. You don't really have to start your car or anything like that. And once you do this, it'll be all good. Hopefully this video helps you guys reset your engine oil on your Ls500. I did make a video on how to replace the engine oil. I'm going to leave it in the link below. So if you want to see how you can replace the oil on this car, check out the link in the description below. Thanks for watching.